How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get a Lyft promo code for $100 or even more. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First thing you will need to do is open up a web browser, and then you will need to search for a website called Follow Coupons. After you search for Follow Coupon, just hit enter and you'll find this option. Now, my bad, it was Coupon Follow, but it's the same thing. Open this website up and you will see a list of different websites and different brands. What you'll now need to do is head over to a store, that is search for a store, and then simply search for Lyft. After you search for it, hit enter and you'll find Lyft coupon codes. Now, inside here, you will get discount codes and promo codes for up to 50%, your $18 promo code. You will get up to 30%, 50%, and even up to 60%. You can see that you can use this promo code to save a lot of money. You can use any one of these right here. Now, there isn't a one for $100, but if you come back here again after a few times, this will keep on changing and you might land a $100 one as well. But what you can do is you can always use a $50 coupon code, or you can use the $60% off coupon code. So there is a lot of ways you can save money. What you'll need to do is tap on show coupon code and you'll find the coupon code. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can get a Lyft discount or Lyft promo code. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.